This one, tell me fast.
2ab
Hmm.
minus 2b,
Hmm.
2ab,
Hmm.
1 minus a square plus b
Achha, wait.
square.
1 minus a square plus b square. Then?
2a,
Hmm.
2b
Hmm.
minus 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square.
And equal to?
1 plus a square plus b square the whole cube.
So this question is a bit problem. So how to do this question? So for this question you have to look it carefully. Now one thing what I will do is look at it very carefully. If I multiply b with this one, okay, what I am doing is I am multiplying b with this one. Okay, so it will become what, 2b square? Yes or no? 2b square.
Yes, sir.
Now with that thing I will add with this one. Well, my main purpose is to get 1 plus a square plus b square, right? So 2b square I will add with this one. What I get? 1 plus a square minus b square. So what I get? 1 plus a square plus b square. Yes or no? So my main criteria is to get this thing. So how do I get it? We have to manipulate like that. So first thing I'm multiplying b with this one, then I'm adding with this one, right? So my operation will be like this. Listen very carefully. My operation will be R1 implies R1 plus BR3. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
So that's my operation will be. I have to get this factor. This is my main criteria. This is the main focus. My main focus should be 1 plus a square plus b square. So here, so what happens? So what we get is this thing. I get 1 plus a square plus b square. We already solved. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
We already got 2b square plus this thing, 1 plus a square plus b square, right? Now here the second term, you see, it's 2ab. The second term is 2ab plus b into r3. R3 is minus 2a. So we get what? Minus 2ab. Yes or no? I am multiplying b with this one, then adding with that one. So I get what? 2ab minus 2ab. So it is 0. Come on, tell me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now the last one. So first you write minus 2b, this one is r1, then plus b into 1 minus a square minus b square, right? This one you do it in rough, then you put the elements in there because you don't have so many space in there. So what we do is, so this one becomes minus 2b plus b minus ba square. Achha, wait. This one will become plus b minus ba square minus b cube. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now minus 2b plus b, it becomes minus b minus ba square minus b cube, right? And I can take minus b common from here. Can I take minus b common from there?
Yes, sir.
If I take minus b from here, we get 1. If I take minus b from here, I get a square. If I take minus b from here, I get b square. Clear?
Sir.
So I will write that term in here. Minus b 1 plus a square plus b square. Okay? So here, now the another term, I will just leave it like that. We can do another operation. Let me check another operation. Minus 2a. Yeah, another operation we can do. The other operation will be, look at here carefully. Now, look at this one. If now, look at these two now, okay? First we looked at these two, right? Now look at these two. Tell me what operation should I do? Now you tell me. Look at these two elements. Now tell me what operation should I do to get 1 plus a square plus b square? Tell me fast. What operation should I do to get 1 plus a square plus b square? Tell me. Tell me. What operation should I do to get 1 plus a square plus b square? So it will be R2 operation. Huh?
R2 plus
R,
R3.
R2 plus? Are you sure?
R3 or minus.
Look at here. I have 1 minus a square minus b square, right? 1 minus a square plus b square, right? Now, if I multiply a with this one, it becomes what? Minus 2a square, right? Now, if I add them, I will get minus 3a square. So we cannot add, we have to subtract. If I subtract, minus will become plus. So it will become plus 2a square, and minus a square, it will become plus a square. Am I clear?
That's right.
So this one will be my operation. R2 minus AR3. That's my operation will be. So here, if I do this operation, what I get? First thing, look at here. So R2 is what? 2AB. R2 is how much? 2AB, right? 2AB. R2 is 2AB minus AR3 minus 2AB. Yes or no?
That's right.
So this one is 0. And this one we already found out. It is 1 plus a square plus b square. And this one, tell me how much will it be? Again you see, R2 is what? 2a. 2a minus of a into 1 minus a square minus b square. Okay, let's simplify how much you get. So it will be 2a minus a, minus is plus a square, plus, it will be, wait. Minus is plus a cube, and this one minus is plus ab square. So 2a minus a is a plus a cube plus ab square, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we will take a common, so we get 1 plus a square plus b square. So let's write it there. So a taken common, 1 plus a square plus b square. So what do you get? This one is 2b, this one is minus 2a, this one is 1 minus a square minus b square. So tell me, what will be my next step? Come on, tell me first. What will be my... Huh? Common, right?
Yes, sir.
So what should I take common? Tell me first.
1 plus a square plus
From where?
row 1.
Only from row 1.
Row 2.
Row 1 and row 2. Taking out 1 plus a square plus b square from R1 and R2. So let's see what do you get. So this one, 1 plus a square plus b square whole square, because I'm taking out 2 out. So 1, 0 minus b, right?
Yes.
And this one will become 0, 1, a,
A.
and 2b minus 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. So tell me, what will be my next step? What will be my next step? Think hard and tell me. What will be my next step?
Next. And 0.
0? What is 0? Next step is 0. What? Huh? Pass. Think and tell. If I expand, I cannot expand because we don't see 2 zeros in there. Before expanding, I will try to get another 0. So how can I get another 0? Pass. Look at here. If I multiply b with this one and add with this one, I get 0. Yes or no? Simple as that. If I multiply b with this one, then add with this one, we get 0. So what I do? My operation will be, so tell me the operation. I told you what to do, and now you tell me the operation. What will I do? I will multiply b with this one, then add with this one. So I am multiplying with this one. So it will be R3 implies R3 plus,
PR1
oi,
plus
it won't be R3. It is column operation. Column operation, right? This one with this one side by side. So it will be C3 implies C3 plus B C1. Okay, so let's do it fast. So 1 plus A square plus B square whole square. This becomes what? Look, C1 will remain same, 1 0 2B. C2 will remain same, 0 1 minus 2A. Now C3 will become this plus
0.
B, 0. Then this one will become A. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And the other one will become what? C3 is 1 minus A square minus B square plus B into 2B square. So plus 2B square. So what I get? 1 minus A square plus B square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is what we get. Now we will expand. Now let us expand. So we will expand along what? We will expand along. Yes. So let's. What? Expanding along? What happened? Expanding along what?
Row 1.
Yes, row 1. You said column 1, right? Before?
No, R1 I said.
No.
No.
So row 1. So we get 1 plus A square plus B square whole square. And then if I expand, what do we get? This one goes, right? So it's just 1.
Yes, sir.
So it will be what? 1A minus 2A, 1 minus A square plus B square. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So let's see what you get. Again, what happened? So we get that. So here we have 1 plus A square plus B square whole square. And this thing, let us expand. 1 into this thing is 1 minus A square plus B square. Right? And minus of minus. So we get plus 2A square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we get 1 plus A square plus B square whole square. And this one is what? 2A square plus A square. So 1 plus A square plus B square. So the answer is 1 plus A square plus B square whole cube. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that's my question number 13. Yes. Let's do question number 14. Now question of 14, you will tell me how to do A square plus 1. So it is question of 14, right? A square plus 1, tell me. This one is what?
A, B, A, B, A, C, A, B, B, C.
Wait a second. Let me do. This one is what? BC, right?
B,
CB, BC is the same thing. AC, CA is the same thing. They equal to what?
O,
Yes. Yes. So tell me, now you will tell me what to do. This question you will tell me what to do. Tell me, what should I do? What should be my first step? Tell me first.
common,
Taking out common. What should I take common?
A, B, C.
From where? From where?
From row 1, row 2, and row
from row 1, row 2 and row 3 respectively. So what do we get? We get, acha, fine, now you will tell me. If I take a common from here, what do I have? What do we get?
A plus B.
Huh? What? What? What you said? If I take a common from a square plus 1, what is that? I am taking a common. So what do we have? Here if I take a common, it will be a, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now if I take a from 1, what do we have? Does 1 have a? No. So what I will do is I have to do 1 by a. You see a into 1 by a, it's become 1, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Achha, we need to write something in here. A, B, C. So I'm taking a common. So what will happen? It will become a plus 1 by a, right? Please remember this one. Now if I take a common from here, B, C, A, B plus 1 by B. Then it will be C.
C.
Then
A.
Then
B.
yes.
1 by 2.
Now tell me, what is my next operation will be? This is the most important part. Pass.
R.
Hmm?
R2.
R2 minus R1. Look at here, look at here. What I will do is, I will multiply A with each one of them, B with each one of them, C with each one of them, and see what you get. You will try to get A square, B square in there. Everything will be A square, B square in here. Here, AB was there, AC was there, AB was there. So we needed to remove that thing. So we have taken ABC out. Now A, B, C are all alone. So now what I will do is, I will multiply A with this one. So what I will do is, C1 implies AC1. C2 implies BC2. Then C3 implies CC3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you will get everything as A square, B square, C square. Now since we have multiplied ABC, we have to remove this ABC. So it becomes A square plus 1, A square, B square, B square plus 1, B square, C square, C square plus 1. Okay? Now tell me, now what will be my next step? Now what will be my next step?
Um,
Think and tell. This is what we have to get. This is what we have to get. So how can I get from here? Now to like it's so easy. Tell me fast.
common.
Common, huh? Everything you have to take common. What you can take common from here? You can't take anything common. I will just add these three terms. 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Yes or no?
Sir.
So it will be, what operation should I do then? I have to add these three. So it will be C1 implies C1 plus C2 plus C3. So what do I get? So it will become 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this one will be B square, this one will be B square plus 1, this one will be square, C square, C square, C square plus 1. Okay, after this too easy. After this what I will do? I will do what? Taking out 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square from C1. Right? So after taking this from C1 I get what? 1, 1, 1. Ayya. We need to write some important thing. That is equal to equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Don't forget to write this one. So we get b square plus 1, b square, c square, c square, c square plus 1, right? And after this I told you, whenever you see 1 1 1, the thing that might come in your head is what? Yes, try to get other two zeros. So let's do it. So what operation should I do? Tell me first.
R2 minus R1 and
Wait a second. So my operation will be R2 minus R1. Yes. So R2 implies R2 minus R1. Now let's do this operation and let's see whether we are getting two zeros or not. Okay. If we don't get two zeros, then we do the second operation also. So we get 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. And we get this one as R2 minus R1. So R1 will remain same. This minus this is 0. This minus this is b square plus 1 minus b square is 1. C square minus c square is 0. So what we see is we are getting two zeros. We are getting two zeros. So we don't have to do another operation. So we are expanding along.
R2.
Expanding along R2. So if I expanding along R2, we get what? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So this becomes what? So this one element, okay, it will be positive. So I get 1 first
C square.
c square
1.
1 c square 1 c square plus 1. So it will be c square plus 1. So that is it. Okay, now let's 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. 1 into c square plus 1 is c square plus 1. Minus of c square into 1 is c square. So we get this to cut. So we get the answer as 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So yeah. So this exercise is over. Acha, one thing. Let A be a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Then K into A will be what? Is equal to what? Tell me. This one will be which one of them? Huh? It will. Which option is it? A, B, C, D. Which option? B. C. Or D? You said D, right?
I said C.
Yes, always remember this one. If we have order 2, right, and if it is like this, we have to find the determinant of this thing, then it will be k square into determinant of A. If it is order 5, if it is k into A, it will be k to the power 5 into A. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Acha, question number 16, which option?
Right.
Hmm? Which option?
Option A or C.
Option A or C? Huh? Determinant is a number. How can it be a square matrix? So if determinant is a square matrix, then what was the reason of starting a new chapter of determinant? We should have learned in matrix only. Determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. A or C? Okay, clear? Determinant is a number. It's a number. We have been finding out so many numbers. Now let's